Hello. You want to see how I achieve this homemade medicine for cough and for fast breathing? Watch this video so you don't miss out. I have onion, honey. This is the honey I'm using. It's not a promotion video. Feel free to use any honey of your choice. My onion is properly washed and I'll cut and peel. So let me reintroduce my channel. I am Lady B for Blessing. I have 3 kids based in Italy. In this channel, I do a lot of cooking. I will be bringing you a lot of health recipes. I also do family lifestyle. It has been a while. I have not done videos about health. So this is one of my recipe about health. So I'll just cut and cut. So after this video, I'll be bringing you more recipes about health. So I'm done cutting. I'll add to my bowl. I'll add in honey that can cover it. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, be a member of the family, turn on the post notification if you want to be seeing a lot of cooking, a lot of health recipe and family lifestyle. This is the right channel for you. So I added my honey. I'll combine together and mix thoroughly. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. If you can share this video, share it. It can be of help to somebody. It's not that I'm a doctor or I'm a nurse, but I have tasted this recipe. It's super healthy and super nice. So I'll be leaving a link up here that you can also see the other video of my cough medicine. So I'll cover this recipe and allow it to rest for 24 hours. So you as a child, you give your child a teaspoon, and as an adult, you take a tablespoon. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.